Are you? Yes, today we are going to make reaction on Ayu Tingri ma'am. I can't wait to make more and more reaction on our Ayu Tingri ma'am because saya Ayu Tingri Vendari India. Hope please teach me more words because I really wish I can learn Bahasa and speak more Bahasa. Appa kabar aku cinta padamu Ayu Tingri ma'am. If I say aku cinta padamu, if I say aku cinta padamu, please tell me how I can react. I mean, like how I can say aku cinta padamu Ayu Ting Ting ma'am. Okay, guys, today we are going to make reaction on Ayu Ting Ting. Brown is new, and Brown TV is actually Ivan, Ayu, Ruben Onso, and Wendy, and many more. But today we saw one video. We are reacting. Okay, so first of all, Natiala Angelina saying love you Ayu. Only I love Ayu. Yeah, Natiala, we all are fan, and Makasi Natiala Angelina, love you too Ayu Ting Ting ma'am. We love you and we always support you from here. And Natiala, thank you and keep supporting our Ayu Ting Ting. Ayu Ting Ting 92, it's her official Instagram. Okay, now let's start that reaction. We will talk after. Bye. So guys, 1, 2, 3 now. Are you ready, ma'am? We are coming. Play. Brownies. Are you ma'am? Okay, we saw here a camera. Oh, look at everyone. Are you dressed? Are you? What a beautiful voice. Are you ready, ma'am? What a rhythm, are you ready? Ivan and Wendy. They always make us and Ayu laugh. My favorite line. La 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 la. Oh, Ruben also. क्या बात है. Wendy. Ivan and Wendy. Ivan is very big guy. Asik. Ivan, what about step 4? Nice step. La 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 la. Oi. Oi, guys. When I will meet with Ayu Tingri ma'am, I really want to learn her dance moves because It's so catchy and did you saw la 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 leg step. I really like this step. Hope one day I will dance with Ayuting ma'am. Then she will teach me how to dance. Then I will dance. I will. Oh, what happened? I will teach Indian song to Ayu also, like Bhangra. But actually, I am not pro. I am a noob. But Ayu Technique ma'am is more than pro. She's pro, pure pro. And oh, what happened? And guys, Ivan and Wendy, they are rubbing their back each other like it's so funny, and I like Ivan clothes and Ayu Technique ma'am clothes are so pretty. She look always cute in any clothes. Before we reacted on Indian song by Ayu Technique ma'am, she wear Indian dress and she is like, oh my god, she is real queen and she can do anything in life. And we are always support Ayu Technique ma'am. Saya Ayu Technique fan Dari India, please support Ayu Technique 92, don't forget. And we have to read comments now guys, like we always read. Okay. Nia Asania saying Ayu Technique Bolly Star Vaganza NTV. Ayu Technique Bolly Star Vaganza. I think that one is channel name. Bolly Star Vaganza NTV is channel name. We have to check this channel too. So terima kasih Nia Asania. Sorry for my pronunciation. And terima kasih. And next from Tutik Haryati. Tutik Haryati is saying Loop Ayo Rosmalina best. If you don't know guys, Ayu Technique my full name is Ayu Rosmalina, and what a cute name. Ayu Technique ma'am, I am coming to Jakarta, then Deepak. And Lop Ayu Rosmalina best. Yeah, she is the best. Terima kasih Tutik Haryati. And wow, what should I say? She's actually best word is less for our Ayu. She is more than best. Next from Yanni Piliang. Yanni Piliang, Ayu Ting multi-talent is the best. She is our queen guys. Please support Ayu Ting. Next from Yani. The best Ayu multi-talented. Yes, she is multi-talented. So that's why she can sing any language. But it's a humor. Many people told me Ayu Technique ma'am also knows Spanish. Is that right? If yes, please tell me in comment section, because once we reacted on one song, we read one comment, or it's from Madrid, Spanish. Madrid in Spain, Spanish. So I think she knows Spanish too. So please tell me what do you think. So, but she can easily learn any language. So it's very good.